I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Yeah, I like to move it.
Morning, morning. It's a very exciting day today. I woke up about 20 minutes ago, hence why it looks like I literally rolled out of bed, because I did. First things first. I do that in my last video, I'm so sorry. Yeah, first thing to do is get ready. So, shall I try a little cheeky transition? Hey, I don't know if that worked, but we shall see when I come to edit it. So this is my outfit, kind of plain and boring, but no need to make first impressions because I'm living with my friends from last year. It's Moon Day. I don't know if you saw my last one, but if you didn't, I shall introduce myself again. So if you don't know me,
I'm M to the B, call me.
Had to do it. I had to do it. If you don't know me, I'm Emily. I am a second year now. Crazy, it's come around scarily quick. I do television production at the University of Bournemouth, and last year I lived in student halls, and this year I'm moving in with a bunch of my flatmates into a house. And so that, my friends, is what we're doing today. We're moving in to the house. Two of my housemates are already there, so I'm the third one to go. Maths, we love to see it. I filmed a couple of clips earlier of like the state of my room, so roll them, I guess. As far as packing's going, it's all like back here, so this isn't all of it, and that scares me. There's stuff in the car already. But yeah, so that's my room. I still need to eat breakfast and I need to load up the car, and then it's time to hit the road. So yeah, I shall see you in Bournemouth. Oh my god, I can't believe it's come around so quick.
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul.
We're here. I'm going to just like put you somewhere while I finish unpacking the car, and then I'll show you the room like when it's empty. Maybe I'll show it to you now, I don't know, but it's so much bigger than my room at home. I can't get over it. I am in love, but yeah, I'm gonna like put you on my desk or something and then finish unpacking.
That's just how it goes.
Basically got the whole of the Amazon rainforest with me.
These days I don't get no sleep. Couple minutes and I'll be good.
Just unpacked, sort of, but yeah, so bed's been made. Kelsey has mum and dad while I was having a chat. Got a mirror, which is lovely, and lovely view out the window. It's kind of like triple glazed windows in a way, but it's really nice because there's a big road like over there, so it helps cut out the noise. But still got all of this to sort out, but we'll sort that out after we've had some food because we are all absolutely starving. We have food now, no idea where. Go for a bit of food shop, wander, and be sorted.
It's actually the coolest thing ever. I was way up there. I don't actually know, oh, the flat was over there, I think. But I don't know whereabouts my room was. I can't remember the view.
Be reunited soon. I actually miss it, although it looks disgusting during the day.
Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul. That's just how it goes.
Joined by a fourth member of the lunch.
These days I don't get no sleep.
No, don't feed it, because the loads will come. Okie dokie, folks. So I'm currently home alone, I believe. Yeah, I think one of the housemates are on to the beach, so I'm chilling, which actually works out fine for me because I'm such a chatterbox that I'd probably like spend all my time chatting and not unpacking, because that's what I did in first year, and it took me to the third week to actually like fully finish unpacking. But this is the room at the moment. I've got all of my stuff still here, so quite a lot to do. I'm going to try and tackle all my clothes tonight, see if I can get them all in the wardrobe and the chest of drawers. But how lovely is this room? Like I'm gonna do a full in-depth like room tour once it's all like decorated. But yeah, I've got these lovely like big windows and desk, massive radiator, bed, chest of drawers, 2 bedside tables, and my wardrobe. The mirror I brought from home, like we never used it and we kept it in the loft. My parents have been trying to get rid of it for ages, and I was like, you know what, I'll have it. So yeah, very excited. Yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna start unpacking my clothes, jam out to the music, but I think, I don't know, I'll find somewhere to set you up. Hey. I feel like the transition looked really lame, but I wanted to try it. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna set you up here and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I don't know. I don't really know where's a good place to set you up. Maybe I'll set you up on my desk. I'm gonna set you up here, and I feel like, I don't know, do a time lapse or something. You can see me doing my work.
It goes. These days I'm getting no sleep.
So I've begun sorting out my drawers. I'm trying to like organise it in like light to dark order. So I mean, apparently I've only done my white and black tops so far, but the other ones are in there somewhere. But I've done a lot of my like trousers. But all that stuff on my bed I need to put in there, so I might do that now. I might set you up on my desk again. Hey, firstly, did that transition work? Did work. And secondly, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I balanced you on a 9-pack of toilet rolls and I'm a bit scared that you're gonna fall off, but she'll be fine.
Too young when it all dropped out from the school, so I woke up at 11 o'clock. I ain't got no job. What the hell should I do today?
I filled it. So I've got, it's not completely done. Ooh, patch of sunlight there. So I've only got 2 tops in there at the moment. There's definitely more, but they're the only ones I've got. Then shirts, like a dress, some skirts, and then just like coats and stuff. Oh my god, that's horribly zoomed in. Right, it's mid-dinner time now, so I'm tripping over literally every IKEA bag in sight, but yeah, I'm gonna go make tea. No, I don't know what I'm gonna have, but I'm gonna make that, and then see where I go from there, because I'm starving. Change of plan, slash slight hurdle. Before I can do that, I have to actually unpack my kitchen stuff. For some reason I just thought all the kitchen stuff would be in the kitchen, obviously not. I have my big box, like when I say big box, I mean big box. Have that, and I'm going to empty it. The thing is I don't know where anyone's stuff is, and because I'm home alone at the moment, I don't know whether I'm going to end up putting it in the wrong place, but I kind of feel like there's no wrong place. Wow, I really do be looking like Casper. Anyway, so at the moment I've just got some food in there and that's about it.
I need my caffeine. I need.
Oh my god. Please say they're packed. Please say they're packed. I don't know where my pans are. Oh, they're there. Oh my god, thank god. I completely missed this bag here and thought that I didn't have any pots and pans. Why do I have so much kitchen stuff? It's honestly ridiculous. This is the cupboard that I've gone for so far. I'm hoping that I'm not taking up too much space. And that's my, oh, that's not my drawer. That's my drawer. Yeah, I'm hoping I'm not taking up too much space, but once we're all moved in, I'm sure we can like rejig it all and it'll be fine. But yeah. Ooh, really sexy lighting. There we go, maybe there's better. So I've had my first dinner of living in the new house. Yeah. And quiche, potatoes was lovely, and then I had leftover mango from my lunch. Now, I don't really know what we're doing. I think we're going to watch Megamind and have a glass of wine. We're very civilised. I have to really excuse my shiny forehead and the fact that I'm talking kind of quiet. I think the walls are quite thick, but like, it's like 3 in the morning. we had a lovely evening. We sat, had a catch up and watched Inside Number 9 and Megamind, so it's pretty good. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go to bed now because I'm shattered. I've not had a day this full in months because obviously lockdown. So yeah, I'm gonna go straight to sleep. I'm gonna sleep for 1,000 years. Yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep your eyes peeled for a decorate with me and a room tour because they will be coming. But I still haven't finished unpacking. Like, this is the state of my room at the moment, and yeah, so decorating is not going to happen tomorrow. Maybe not even the day after, but it's going to happen. Stay tuned if you're interested, and thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you whenever I see you very soon. Bye. Also, it feels so crazy, the fact that this is my second one of these. Like, how did I only move in a year ago? I feel like the year has just flown by. Like, how am I in my second year of university?